Light up the ribs, the ceiling, and the fingers. Now take your right arm forward like you're holding a glass of wine.
The easiest way to tell what a Sauvignon Blanc is if you're doing like a blind tasting.
Yes.
It smells like cat piss.
Yes.
Whoa.
I'm about to head into a yoga wine party, meaning yoga plus wine all at once. Who knows how those two will mesh together, but I'm excited. Let's try it.
Welcome. So everybody make sure you grab yourself a blanket and 2 blocks, please. And imagine you're holding maybe 2 glasses of champagne. And notice if you're holding your breath, right? Keep it flowing. Imagine you're trying to squish a ton of grapes out with your shoulder blades.
Don't worry, we do the yoga first.
Wait, so we're not having wine while we do yoga?
No, I'm not sure that would be really fun for us or for you.
It's in part because we do the detox before we do the retox with the wine. So
You have to
anytime
earn it.
you're twisting and detoxing, you're gonna sweat.
I also really appreciated your adjustments and everything. It felt like at one point we were having kind of like a Titanic moment.
Flying.
Yoga was so relaxing. I feel so limbered up and everything, which is amazing because I kind of feel like I have the flexibility of a cardboard cutout. So I'm going on to the part that I feel really good at, which is drinking wine. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah. The wine tasting part was incredible. Basically, you had 6 different wines to choose from. Really, it was like a finishing school for wines. Like, I really only knew white wine, red wine, rosé. I felt like I learned so much.
The younger the wine, the brighter, the fresher, the more green the wine is. And I think this is a step people skip when they go to wine tasting. They think, okay, let's swirl, let's smell, let's sip, let's taste, but nobody ever takes a moment to just pause and look at the wine. And so by looking at the color and the hue and the brightness of the wine, you can often tell whether or not the wine is young or old. I love Pinot Noirs. Is anybody getting like baking spices?
I'm kind of remembering like rubber cement.
Wine is personal. So if you think something smells or tastes like rubber cement because you used to eat paste as a kid, we're not gonna judge you.
Ralph, are you eating your paste?
We're gonna move to Merlot. I love Merlot. Who loves Merlot? Merlot has gotten a bad reputation, I think. You're gonna learn about wine from a fictional movie where they demonize Merlot? No.
How's that?
Merlot is something that is super easy to grow. If you grow too much Merlot and you're not controlled with it, the grapes can get super bloated, they can lose flavor, and you'll get a lot of wine that just doesn't taste very good. But this isn't easy to drink. Like, you come home, pop on some HBO, the bottle's gone, like, what happened? Cheers. Namaste. And cheers.
This is such an awesome way to just unwind at the end of a crazy week. It was so relaxing, it was so awesome, and I'm ready to do it all over again.